Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how split screen works on FuboTV using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, it's important to know this true split screen with two live games at the same time is not available on iPhone. Fubo's real split screen features called multi-view only works on Apple TV, not on iPhone. But don't worry, on iPhone you can still watch Fubo while using other apps by using picture-in-picture, also called PIP. Let me show you how. First, open the Fubo app on your iPhone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home screen, start playing any live channel or so. Once the video is playing, swipe up from the bottom of your screen or tap the home bar. If picture-in-picture is supported, the video will shrink into a small floating window. Now you can open another app, browse the web, send messages, all while the Fubo videos keeps playing in the corner of your screen. You can drag the small video window to any corner you like. To make the video bigger again, tap the window and select full screen. Picture-in-picture does not work. Here is how to turn it on. First, open settings, then tap on general, then tap on picture-in-picture and make sure start PIP automatically is turned on. Now go back to the Fubo app and try again. And that's it. That's how split screens works on Fubo on an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.